guys, so today I'm going to be reviewing Toxaway Slime Liquor. So it's basically a ball that's rolling, like kind of like deodorant a little bit, but just like this. Oh, you can screw it off. Here, and then there's a little like ball. Let's see if this, and it rolls. Not that sour. It's toxic waste, so I would have thought it'd been a lot more sour. It doesn't spin too well. You want to try? You think it's sour at all? What do you think?
Is the red thing candy?
No, I don't think so.
Yeah, I think it is.
Is it? I don't know.
Yeah, I think so.
Is it sour at all, or is it just kind of sweet? I kind of had a sweet vibe.
The blue stuff is kind of a little tiny bit sour.
Yeah, but I didn't get any of that. I don't know. Let me see if I can taste some sour in there. I don't know.
No, actually, I think the bowl is just plastic.
Yeah.
That'd be kind of cool if the ball were candy.
It's hard to roll it, though. That's the problem. That's fine. I don't know. Would you recommend it?
Not really.
If you get it, the problem is you have to get your hands all sticky to get it.
Well, really lick it like an ice cream cone.
That. There we go. Kind of like a Juicy Drop Pop. You know that one?
Yeah, but not sour.
Not as sour, no. Would you recommend it?
No.
No, I wouldn't really either. But it is cool though. It's cool.
It's a neat idea.
I think they need to have a little more sour. They can't just, it's sweet even.
I think the bowl should be made of some kind of candy.
That's what the problem is, because candy and candy really don't go together too well. No, but no. I mean, I think the ball would eventually just kind of rot.
Yeah, that's probably true.
So I wouldn't really recommend it. You wouldn't really recommend it. So, yeah, it's not great candy. They could have some... I wish it was a little bit more sour, but some people hate sour, some people love sour. That's just my opinion. Well, I'm in Black Badge MC, and I'm out.